Thinking about hiring a cleaner in 2026 but not sure what it actually should cost? Let's break it down. Across the UK, domestic cleaning usually ranges from £12 to £25 per hour. In London and other major cities, it's higher, usually £20 to £30 per hour. The price depends on where you live, the size of your home, and whether you choose an independent cleaner or an agency. For most households, a standard weekly clean of 1 to 2 hours costs between £50 to £85. Smaller flats might just take a couple of hours, while larger family homes can take 6 hours or more, especially if there are multiple bathrooms. And if you're looking at specialist services like carpet cleaning, end of tenancy cleans, or holiday let changeovers, those are priced separately. So how do we keep our costs under control? First, book regular sessions. Weekly or bi-weekly cleans are often discounted. Second, bundle services if possible. Combining tasks in one visit can save money. And finally, always compare quotes. A little research can make a big difference. The key is simple. Understand what you're paying for, choose the right type of cleaner for your needs, and plan ahead. With the right approach, professional cleaning doesn't have to break the bank. And if you'd rather not deal with organising cleaners, comparing prices and coordinating visits, we handle everything for you. From cleaning and maintenance to inspections and ongoing checks, we take care of all of the details so you don't have to.